Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a quick haul in my car. I have to go to the gym. I'm sitting in the gym parking lot right now, but I had to go to Dollar General to get toilet paper before I went to the gym, and I caught some cute stuff. And I thought, well, I have 10 minutes before I have to be in the gym, so I thought I'd share it with you. So I got this adorable buffalo check tree skirt. I can't wait to show you my tree. At the end of this quick little haul, I'm going to show you my teeny tiny little apartment pencil tree. So I had to get this little buffalo check tree skirt with the faux like fur at the bottom for $5. So stinking cute. I'm sorry if like the camera's bouncing a little bit. I apologize for that. It's really windy, so it's shaking my car. We're having really horrible weather here in PA. I have to show you this little guy. Look at him. Everything's buffalo check this year. Ooh, my car's shaking so bad. Sorry, guys. Look at him. Isn't he adorable? My theme this year is buffalo check, just in case you guys are wondering. Okay. Then I got, ooh, my camera's really shaking. Sorry, guys. And then, ooh. And then I got this one. Look at the buffalo check. It says believe, hope, and joy. And this is galvanized metal. The joy is buffalo check. I just love it. So stinking cute. I cannot wait to show you my itty bitty tiny little tree that we picked up from Michael's on sale for the apartment. Got it, guys. I hope that's helping. I wonder if you guys can see how windy it is here. Okay. And then I picked this little guy up. And these ornaments are $1. So they're just the same price as the Dollar Tree. And look at the buffalo check. And it says holiday. Galvanized metal. Super cute. Real farmhouse looking, in my personal opinion. And then let me grab this bag. Woo! Man. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay. So I had to get one more buffalo check ribbon, which is $2, which if they had this at the DT, I would have picked it up at the DT, but they don't. And I'm doing everything buffalo check. You'll see at the end of this video. You'll see. So look at this guy. Buffalo check owl. Everything's buffalo check. I'm sorry, guys. And then I picked this ornament up because I loved it. Like, this is beautiful. And I know this is really similar to the ones that the Dollar Tree have, but it's very different at the same time. It's much more elegant and has much more to it. But I know like these kind of ornaments are at the DT as well. But this one is just more elegant and beautiful. Look how pretty. Look at the detailing. It's just gorgeous. And of course, buffalo check. So I had to get it. Love it. And it's just $1 too. Can you guys hear how windy it is? And then I loved this. Look how beautiful. Crown. If they would have had another one of these, I would have got two, but they only had one. And it was $1. And then the very last one that I picked up was this. You got two for $1, which is the silver stags. Not silver, this is gold, guys. Gold glittered stags, which I love this too for $1. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert a picture. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Calm down, wind, calm down. Okay, I'm gonna insert a picture of I found the two pot holders that go with my puppy, oh god, what are they called? Like stove towels, like hand towels. So I found the second parts that I didn't find the day I bought them. So I'm going to insert a picture here of the little puppy pot holders that I got. And then I got a whole snowman set. I'm going to insert pictures of that too. This is for my girlfriend. This is not for myself. She loves snowmen. So I picked up a whole snowman set for her and a beautiful snowman rug that was $6. And that is what I got from the Dollar General for Christmas, and I'm super, super, super excited. I think, wow, my car is just a rocket. I think, I'm sorry if this video makes you sick, guys. I think I got everything that I need for Christmas, and I just wanted to share this really quick little teeny tiny Dollar General haul, because I just think their stuff is so cute. Like, Dollar General is on point, and so is DT. Like, Christmas for cheap is possible. So I'm gonna go, because I gotta go get my work on. Gotta get my work on, my workout on. I gotta go into the gym and work out, but I'm gonna end this video with my tree done and decorated so that you guys can see the whole buffalo check theme thing that I did. And almost all of this came from the Dollar General, and the little teeny tiny pencil tree that I picked up was pre-lit, and I got it on sale at Michael's. It was normally $120, and I got it on sale for $49.99. So, and it works perfect in our teeny tiny little apartment. So that's it for me today, guys. I love you. I hope you guys are having a great week. I'll be talking to you very soon. Enjoy my little Christmas tree. Bye, guys. Always do what you love.